Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to access JavaScript in Chrome. To start, open your internet browser and select the three dots on the upper right. In the drop-down, select Settings. Once you are now in Settings, use the search bar and then search for Java. Then in here, select Site Settings. Scroll down this time. Now look for JavaScript and then click on JavaScript. Scroll down this time and make sure you select Turn on Sites can use JavaScript. Or you can also not allow sites depending on your preference. In here, you can also have customized behaviors. And then you can also add sites wherein you can either allow or not allow to use JavaScript. Again, this is all depending on your preference. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.